For VistanaPearlREsidences, our developer is 858 Mega Properties.
And hopefully, airport na tayo kasi I'm running out of time. Hi guys, good morning. Saikanik here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at the City Sports Club, Cebu. I'm going to attend the Vistana Pearl press con. Yeah, connected sila ni Dr. Pearl and I'm so happy I was invited. So hopefully we're going to learn something and yeah, so we're going to go inside. Healthy living ko karon so mao kuno ini akong food. Oh my god, healthy pa ni daghan lagi kay.
For VistanaPearlREsidences, our developer is 858 Mega Properties and it's designed by Racho Architects and exclusively marketed by VG Summit Realty.
Welcome to our VistanaPearlREsidences, residential pad located in Cebu Street, right beside Zapatera Elementary School, a stone away to San Carlos, walking distance to UB, Bilis, and Cebu Normal, and very accessible to Ayala, SM, and Robinson Galleria. We position ourselves to be within the university built area. The other thing that we have in mind every time we build a project is we have the ACE, which is accessibility, comfort, exclusivity, and safety of all our buyers. It's the most viable location and price as well, the most affordable in its class. It is a prominent residential abode created especially for parents who want convenience and security for their children. 2.3 million to 3.1 million for the studio. For one bedroom is about 4.5 million pesos only. You don't have to worry about the millions there because all you need to do is just 20% down payment payable in 36 months. AC payment terms. 2.3 times 20% is only 600,000 divided by 36, so roughly about 12,000 per month amortization. After that, bank turnover to the bank, you'll be paying in the bank. Vistana Diamond Townhouses. Located at Peace Valley, a 9-unit townhouses with 4-level structure per unit, basement parking and storage, living, dining, and kitchen in the ground floor, 3 bedrooms in the second floor, and open floor attic. Very accessible to the city, located at Peace Valley Capital, Cebu City. Vistana Emerald Tower, located in Capitol Hills, an 18-story residential condominium that will rise on top of Capitol Hills, Cebu City. Designed to cater mid-end market like students, call center employees, and new couples. Available studio and 1-bedroom units only. Kinaka-base na din gold na din for Vistana Gold Island Resort Residences. This is a 16 units duplex villa residence with pool, 2 units residential villas with pool, 8 units story townhouses with common pool. We will be having our shuttle boat. So from Mactan, there will be a shuttle boat going to the Orlando Island to cater our resident and buyers for Vistana Gold Island Resort Residences. This front units there are the honeymooner villa. So if you want to go.
Hey guys, so I just arrived here sa parang may bus terminal at SM. So from Cebu City Sports Club, nag-ride lang ako ng 04L papunta rito. And then 7 pesos plus dito sa my bus 40 pesos going to the airport. Pupunta pala ako sa airport. And hopefully airport na tayo kasi I'm running out of time. Hi guys! So I just arrived here at the airport and 5 PM pa pala sila darating. So it's 3 PM. I need to wait for 2 hours. Pero okay lang kasi my cousin, uuwi na siya. So ang ganda pala dito sa bagong airport. Diyos ko Lord. Second time ko na dito pero hindi pa ako nakapag-explore. Mag-explore tayo. I'm here right now guys sa departure area. So standby muna ako dito guys kasi naghahanap ako ng food pero wala naman palang mga food court something dito sa labas. Eh kung papunta ka sa loob, meron. Pero pag naghihintay ka lang, wala. Sa baba meron siya pero nandito na ako sa taas. Balik na lang ako mamaya pag okay na. So standby. Parang ang ganda ng register ng face ko. So guys, yun na guys. Yun palang VistanaPearlREsidences. Nandun din si Doc Pearl, if you remember yung Pearl Medical Aesthetics. Kasi she is one of the daughter of the owner and co-owner na rin ng VistanaPearlREsidences. So, kanina, binanggit nila na ongoing pa yung construction but then, marami na naka-reserve na slot. So, the place is very good especially for those people or yung para sa mga students kasi malapit lang siya side lang talaga siya ng Zapatera School guys and Zapatera Elementary School. Malapit siya sa mga universities like University of San Carlos, University of the Visayas, and Veles College. So malapit lang talaga sila. Super siya sa mga students na malapit sa schools na to at nasa heart of Cebu talaga sila guys. To know more about VistanaPearlREsidences, I'm going to place the link on the description box. Kung meron man akong hindi nabanggit dito, I'm going to place the link of my full blog on my website which is saikaniki.com so that I will be able to place all the information na kailangan yung malaman about VistanaPearlREsidences. See you! Bye! Guys, na sila. Kapit ko. Tara sila! Gaya ninyo! Hi! Bye! Oh my God! Nag-asa. Asa mo day? Apil ka day? Goodbye, cons! Enjoy! Oo, uli na. Halat mo, uli na sa katiyo. Pwede isunod ko sa maleta.
Madalhan kita kan semua.
Bye guys, we're going home. Gihatod na namo si Linda, ang akong cousin. Balo pati yung ang inahan. Oh. Si Papa. Mo niya mo tourist guide guys. Magto na mi sa parking kay maki-ride ko nila ni Papa. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Today was super fun and yeah, bye. See you soon. Sarang Walay heart ikaduha. Bye.